Hey everyone! Today I'm diving deep into the world of remote warfare, a realm where technology meets the battlefield, transforming how wars are fought and won. Remote warfare, it sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, doesn't it? But it's very real and more relevant than ever. With drones buzzing overhead and operators stationed thousands of miles away, the face of conflict has changed dramatically. So what's the big deal with drones and remote technology in military tactics? Well, let's break it down. First, there's the aspect of safety, keeping soldiers out of direct harm's way while maintaining the ability to carry out missions with precision. It's a game changer, but it also raises some tough questions about the nature of warfare. Imagine sitting in a control room, eyes glued to screens displaying live feeds from halfway across the globe. You might think it decreases the risks, but the psychological toll on operators can be immense. The distance doesn't make the decisions any less heavy. Now let's talk about autonomy. Some of these drones can make decisions on their own. Yes, you heard that right. Autonomous drones equipped with AI capabilities that can analyze situations and react without human intervention. The implications, both fascinating and frightening. And it's not just the sky that's getting crowded with tech. Underwater drones and remote-controlled ground vehicles are also entering the fray, each adding a new layer to strategic operations. The battlefield isn't just about boots on the ground anymore. It's about chips in the game. To wrap this up, remote warfare might seem like it's making combat safer and more efficient, and in many ways, it is. But it also complicates the ethics of engagement and the rules of war. As we continue to develop these technologies, it's crucial to keep the conversation going about how they are used, ensuring they serve humanity and preserve peace, not just wage war. That's all for today. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into how technology is reshaping our world. See you next time.